Ow!
Once bitten, never shy. TV vamp Ian Somerhalder finding out how it feels. Sexy co-star Nina Dobrev does a little necking. The raw video caught on our exclusive visit to the set of their smash hit, The Vampire Diaries.
If you're gonna bite, you gotta really bite, and you gotta sell it and be vicious.
You just gotta do it.
But with caution.
This part of someone's neck is a very sensitive area. It's a very dangerous area, and you let few people get to it.
And Ian's not the only one on Nina's menu.
I'd love to bite Brad Pitt.
As for Ian's favorite dish,
Have you ever had a celebrity crush?
Yes, Shantae, when I was a kid, I was utterly convinced after I saw Flashdance that I would marry Jennifer Beals.
the bloodthirsty trio looking pretty tight though on set. And Paul admits Ian might have the inside track based on his own real teenage love life.
I never was able to, like, be that guy to just get all the girls. I was really kind of shy and uncomfortable around women.
See if he has better luck tonight on The CW.